back, more bachata, and this one's going to be fun. Today we're doing Dile que no, kind of a strange name, I get it, and Dile que no with a turn. These two movements in bachata are very, very well-known movements because they happen pretty much in every single dance there is. Dile que no translates to she said no. That's kind of a strange name. In English, we call this movement cross-body lead. How that relates, I don't get it. But I don't make this stuff up. I just pass it along. In order to lead this, we have to first do a little preparation element, a little arrepentida, a little rock step. That little element prepares the lady for the cross-body lead. Cross-body lead meaning she's going to go right across the front of my body. Putting that into a basic bachata, we have 1 and 2 and 3 hip roll, 2 and 2 and 3 hip roll, arrepentida 3 hip roll. That sets her up for the cross-body lead. And then we finish 1 and 2 and 3 hip roll. She has now crossed us and she's on this side. Again, the man's part. 1 and 2 and 3 hip roll. 1 and 2 and 3 hip roll. Link and 2 and 3 hip roll. Rock and 2 and 3 hip roll. So for the lady, what you're going to learn, as I said before, is that this cross-body lead happens in pretty much every single dance there is. And what a cross-body lead is for the lady is 3 steps straight ahead. That's it. The trick is, somewhere along those 3 steps, you're going to rotate to face your partner. Now, it could be step number 1, 2, 3, or at the end of all 3. That is where you're going to rotate. In this particular case, you have 1 and 2 and 3 hip roll, 2 and 2 and 3 hip roll, rock and 2 and 3. Do not forget, ladies, hip roll. And now you have your cross-body lead rotating to face your partner on the first step, trail, and 2 and 3 hip roll. Pretty simple. So there you have it, basic Dile que no cross-body lead.